Ever found yourself wondering how to stretch your meal budget without sacrificing flavor or nutrition? Today, we're going to tackle this challenge head-on and take a culinary journey into the world of frugal, yet tasty and nutritious cooking. Imagine a meal that not only satisfies your taste buds but also keeps your wallet happy. That's right, we're talking about a budget-friendly recipe. Today's special is a classic, a hearty lentil soup. Begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of dried lentils, a large onion, 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 4 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of cumin, a dash of turmeric, a can of diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, and a handful of fresh parsley for garnish. Start by rinsing the lentils under cold water. This removes any dust or debris that might be lingering. Once rinsed, set them aside. Next, chop the onion, carrots, celery, and garlic. Remember, the smaller the pieces, the faster they cook. Now, heat a large pot over medium heat, add a splash of oil, and toss in the chopped vegetables. Stir occasionally until the onions become translucent. At this point, add the lentils, cumin, and turmeric. Give it a good stir to combine all the flavors. Pour in the diced tomatoes along with their juice, and add enough vegetable broth to cover all the ingredients. Bring the pot to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 45 minutes or until the lentils are tender. When the lentils are cooked, garnish the soup with fresh parsley. And there you have it, a pot full of nourishing lentil soup, ready to be enjoyed. But wait, there's more. Here's a cooking hack. Always remember to cook in bulk. It's not only time efficient, but also budget friendly. You can freeze the leftovers in individual portions and have ready-to-eat meals for the days when you don't feel like cooking. In conclusion, cooking on a budget doesn't mean you have to compromise on taste or nutrition. All it takes is a bit of creativity and planning. Today, we walked through a budget-friendly recipe, a nutritious lentil soup that is both easy to prepare and gentle on the wallet. We also shared a cooking hack, cooking in bulk and freezing leftovers for future meals. Remember, food is not just about sustenance. It's about enjoyment, comfort, and sometimes it's about making the most of what you have. So why not put on that apron and get cooking? Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you.